Right now, we're going to go into one of our shooting drills. We call it crackback. Specifically for us, it's just getting us under the mindset. We're going to do this with two people. If somebody's driving away from you, my job is to fill behind. Our terminology right now is this crackback. We'll see our front pivots passing back for the shots. Ready? Twos.
Yep.
Good, let's go.
Take this one.
Outside hand, Ella on that pass, let's go. Wrong pivot, Ella. Right pivot, Ella, right pivot. Good. You're all right, let's go. Hold it.